Hello parents, Deborah Shackelford with the Cool Beans Learning Station here. We have another wonderful science experiment for you to conduct with your children on water density. Mae Jemison, the first African American woman to enter into space, once said, "We look at science as something very elite, which only a few can learn. But that's just not true. You just have to start early and give the children a foundation. Kids live up or down to expectations." Hello, children. Cool Beans Science Lady here. You're about to do an experiment? Not without me, I hope. You were waiting for me. Oh, thank you. I love it, I love it, I love it. Your experiment will be on the density of water and the difference between the hot and the cold. Will the hot be heavier or will the cold be heavier? If it's heavier or more dense, it will stay at the bottom. If it's lighter or less dense, it will be at the top. Well, what do we need? I have some hot water, a straw, red and blue food coloring, a piece of plastic, and 4 cylinder glasses. Also, I have a dish to catch any mess should we make one. All right, let's see. First, we're going to take some red food coloring and we're going to put it over here in this dish. Glass, and then we're going to put it in this glass. We put the blue food coloring in that one. Now we're going to mix, 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 mix. What do you think will happen if I mix red food coloring water with blue food coloring? And they are the same temperature. What do you think? I heard that color. Let's see. It turned purple. So if we mix red food coloring and blue food coloring in the same temperature water, which we chose room temperature, it just turned to purple water. Now it's time to test our predictions. We're going to take some hot water and pour it into this cylinder or glass. Then we are going to take our food colorings and put it into the different glasses so we will be able to determine which one is hot and which one is cold. We put our red food coloring in the hot and our blue food coloring in the cold. We're going to give it a little stir just to mix it in there really good. And looks like the hot water is already mixed well. All right, so now we're going to determine which one stays at the top to see which one is lighter than the other and which one stays at the bottom. Parents will definitely have to help you with this. Now, we're going to remove our plastic and see which one stays at the bottom. It's the cold, and the hot stayed at the top. Did you guess that the hot was lighter or less dense than the cold? If you did, you were right. Wonderful. So, given the same amount, the cold is heavier. So what do you think will happen if we turn the heavier one around, the cold water, and see what if it goes to the bottom? What happens? It does. It says, I'm the heaviest. I'm going to the bottom. And it turned purple. Did you guess that too? Good job. Parents, I hope this experiment will encourage your little one to ask questions, predict, test, and come to conclusions. Science can be fun, all right? Until next time, cool beans.